You're looking quite dapper this morning. Breakfast? Breakfast, kind sir? Would you like some breakfast? Yeah? Oh, did you fluff? Did you fluff from there? Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, big jump. Big jump, Sharky, but straight back up, mate. Very hungry today. Yeah, I'll put him here. Yeah. Love you. Love you, Sharky. What? Nearly fell. You're not afraid of falling, are you? Because you've got wings. You're lucky. Us humans, we're afraid of falling all the time. Afraid of falling in love, afraid of falling here, falling there, falling off the cliff. But you're beautiful. Gee, you're hungry today, mate. You okay? Love you. Your legs are fluffy today. Sharky? Sharky's legs are very fluffy. Oh, you're fluffy. Do you want me to move him down a bit for you? Yeah. Does that help? Did you see what I did with my thumb? Was that funny, was it? You're a good boy, Sharky. You're coming along just nicely. Owl? You still remind me that you're a wild bird, don't you? Yeah, but here. That's enough for today. Someone's coming. So I'll let you have a munch before they come so you can take off. I love you very much and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.